Hi, today I am going to show you how to install Python on Windows without getting any errors with simple instructions. Go to Python official site to download the latest version of Python. I already have downloaded this setup, so I cancel it and continue to installation. Before clicking on Install button, make sure you check this box to add Python in your Windows path. This will automatically save the path to Windows environment variables. Installation started. Do not interrupt the installation. This will take few minutes to complete the installation process, but it's worth it. Most of the beginners quickly trying to install the Python and do not check their major requirements to run Python properly. That's why many peoples get errors. As you can see, Python installed successfully. Now make sure you disabled path length limit to bypass the 256 characters. After closing the installation screen, go to your Windows drive and show hidden files by clicking on View button. Open User folder. Then open the hidden folder with name of App Data. Then open Local folder to find programs installed by this user. Open Python root directory and copy the path of Python folder. Now right-click on your computer and go to System Properties, and then click on Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables to add Python path here. Python installation automatically added the path to here, and we do not need anything to do here. Now it's time to check Python is working or not. Simply go to any directory and type cmd to address bar and check Python version. You can check Python version by typing Python v. By running any first command, it will automatically import common libraries. This will take few seconds. Now we need to check Python version with different command. There are multiple commands to check version. You can use any of these. As you can see, my Python version is 3.11.2. Give a thumbs up if this tutorial helped you. For more tips and tricks of Python, stay tuned with Crypto Earner Pro.